Philippine Airlines misplaced my green card, waited for 1 hour.
Oh, they lost my green. The person who checked in misplaced my green card. What in the mother? This is crazy, bro. Ano yung green card ko, puta. My God! Yung green card ko pa nawala. Nako, my goodness. Naloka ako. First time. She misplaced my green card. No way. Wala po ba sa passport ko po, ate? Baka po nakadikit lang po.
Green card was found in the luggage treadmill spinning around.